Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I'm Rudiyatri. In the bustling neighborhood of Tilak Nagar, which is in West Delhi, India, what seems like an ordinary residence was in fact a hub for illegal operation. For the past 5 years, a gang had been running a sophisticated visa factory right under the radar, producing hundreds of fake visas to people desperate to travel abroad. Now, the scale of the operation was staggering, and the Delhi police finally managed to shut it down, arresting 6 individuals involved in this particular scheme. Now, at the heart of the operation was a 51-year-old Manoj Monga, the mastermind behind the fake visa racket. Monga, a former flexboard printer who had struggles to meet his life requirement, found himself entangled in the world of crime just after he met Jaideep Singh, a man who saw Monga's printing skills as an opportunity. Together, they had launched the illegal visa-making business. Over time, Monga became an expert in producing fake visa, residency card, and even fake appointment letters from the reputed firm like VFS Global to convince his clients that their documents were genuine. Now, operating out of his own home, Monga's visa factory was no small-scale affair. In a typical month, the gang churned out around 30 fake visas, each one meticulously crafted to look like the real deal. Monga even boasted that he could create a visa sticker just in 20 minutes. Now, these fake visas were sold for a hefty price, with each one going from anywhere between 8 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. It is estimated that over the years, the gang sold around 1,800 to 2,000 fake visas, earning a staggering 100 crore rupees in this process. The gang's network was vast, relying on a web of local agents spreading across multiple states. They communicated using an encrypted messaging platform like Telegram Signal and WhatsApp just to avoid the detection. Their clients were often the people desperate to travel to Europe and other countries, but who couldn't secure a visa through legitimate means. The entire operation began to unravel when a man whose name was Sandeep was arrested at Indira Gandhi International Stadium in Delhi on September 2nd. Sandeep was found with the fake Swedish visa and admitted to paying 10 lakh rupees to some of the gang members, whose name was Ali, Rana and Gautam, and just for the fake documents. He has been assured that the forged visa would guarantee him passage to Europe. Well, the arrest triggered a deeper investigation, leading the police to Monga's residence. What they found was a treasure trove of equipments that were used to produce the fake documents: laptop, printer scanner, UV machines, and devices that would help them to produce fake visas. Along with this, police seized 23 rubber stamps, 3 fake permanent residency cards, 4 metal dies, and around 30 fake visa stickers from different countries. They also impounded 16 passports, both Indian and Nepalese, that were likely to be used in future forgeries. The police, that was led by Sushil Goyal, carefully dismantled the operation piece by piece, arresting all key members that were involved. Apart from Monga, those arrested included Shiva Gautam, Naveen Rana, Balbir Singh, Jaswinder Singh, and Ashif Ali. Now, these was the network of agents, and their ability to produce convincing fake visas had allowed them to operate undetected for years. Monga, during his interrogation, revealed how the business has set up and how it expanded. What he had started as a small operation driven by his printing skills had ballooned into a large-scale racket, with hundreds of fake documents being produced for people willing to pay for an illegal way out of their country. Meanwhile, Delhi police, following the bust, issued a stern warning to all the travelers. They urged people to secure their travel documents only through authorized agencies, cautioning against falling into the trap of fraudulent agents offering cheaper alternatives for the journey abroad. As tempting as these deals might seem, they come with serious legal consequences. Now, this visa factory burst serves as a stark reminder that shortcuts to international travel often leads to more trouble than they are worth it and legitimate path remains the safest route for anybody that is hoping to go abroad. For more such videos, do follow TimesXP.